In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable to GitHub. Our goal is to link your Lovable project to a GitHub repository so your code is versioned, backed up, and easy to collaborate on. Start by opening your browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search box, type Lovable and look for the official Lovable website in the results. Click through and sign into your account. If you use single sign-on, complete that flow and make sure you land on your Lovable dashboard. Next, open the project you want to connect. This takes you to the project workspace. In the top right corner of the page, find the GitHub icon. It's the familiar Octocat logo. Click that icon to open the GitHub integration menu. In the menu, click Connect GitHub. Lovable may redirect you to GitHub to request permission. Double-check that you're signed in to the correct GitHub account, review the requested access, and authorize when you're ready. This simply lets Lovable talk to GitHub on your behalf. After authorization, you'll be brought back to Lovable. Click Connect Project. This step links the currently open Lovable project with a GitHub repository, so changes can flow between the two. Now choose where the repository should live. Select your organization from the list. If it's your first time connecting this organization, you'll need to add it, which means granting Lovable access to that org in GitHub. Depending on your company's settings, you might need owner or admin rights to proceed. Lovable will show a confirmation about moving the repository. When you're sure the destination is correct, click Transfer Anyway. This confirms the transfer into the selected organization. It won't delete your work, but it does place the repo under the org's policies and permissions, so team access will be managed there. That's it. The connection is now established. From here, commits and branches can be managed on GitHub, while Lovable stays in sync with the repository. If you don't see the organization you expect, verify your GitHub permissions or that the organization has granted access to Lovable. And if the Connect button is grayed out, make sure you've opened the specific project first. To recap, search for Lovable, sign in, open your project. Click the GitHub icon, choose Connect GitHub, connect the project, select your organization, and confirm with Transfer Anyway. Follow these steps, and you'll have Lovable and GitHub working together smoothly.